Here's how to delete a slide in PowerPoint. Open a presentation in PowerPoint. This could be a new or existing project. Select the slide you want to delete. If you need to delete only a single slide, click it. To select multiple slides next to each other, click the first slide, hold Shift, and then click the last side of the sequence. To select multiple slides spread out, hold Control and click each slide. Right-click the slide and click Delete Slide. The selected slide will be deleted. You can also press Delete key or Backspace on your keyboard to delete slides. To undo this action, press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.